Hello friends! In this video, we will show you how to get deal stages from HubSpot. In our previous video, we have obtained the ID of the deal stages, but what we really need is the name or label of the deal stages. To achieve that goal, what we will do in this video is to create an additional query in Power Query Editor to bring the deal stages from HubSpot, to then relate the table obtained with the deals. My name is Javier Núñez. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me by email or WhatsApp. Now, one of our engineers will show you how to do it.
So here we are in Power BI. And as I mentioned, here's the deal stage, written in lowercase and without spaces. This is the deal stage ID. The first step we need to follow is go to transform data. And all the variables that we've already seen in the previous video, like URL, token, happy key token, limit, and account ID are the same. The only thing we need to do is go to owners table, right click, and then we'll move to advanced editor. In this new screen, we'll copy from JSON.documents till the end. This part of the code is responsible of fetching information from the HubSpot API to Power BI. After we copy, we close this screen. Okay, now we are going on the left-hand side and we'll right-click on the empty space and click on New Query, and then Blank Query. We are going to right-click on this new query and go to Advanced Editor. In the source section, we paste the information we copied before, and we are going to change owners with pipelines / deals and click on Done. Now we right click on the header and we're going to change this list to table. We click on OK. After that, we go to this symbol on the right side, unclick this box and click in OK. In this step, we go to stages. Right here on the stages field and click in expand to new rows. Finally, we click on this box here to use original column name as prefix, because we can notice that we have an equal column name ID in the original table, and we click in OK. Now, it's important to notice that this is a sales pipeline. We can also have different pipelines categories in the CRM, maybe a pipeline for selling products and another pipeline for selling services. And each pipeline can have different stages one another. Okay, now that we have this table, we can identify that here it is the stages ID column, which is the same format that we've already seen in the dashboard. We must link this data to our deals tables so we can show the label instead of the ID. We'll rename this table to deals stages and then click in close and apply. We wait a little bit. Now everything is up to date, so we are going to model view. And here we can see the table that we've created before. And now we are going to link stages ID with deal stage. Okay, we leave everything as a default and click on save. Now, also as a good practice, we'll change these cross-filter directions from both to single. Click on apply changes, and we're going to do the same here, from both to single, and click in apply changes. Now, coming back to the report view, in this chart we have to change this deal stage field with the label we extract from the new table. Okay, so we are going to delete this, and we're going to extract the stages.label. We are going to do the same on this slicer, and we are going to delete this and replace it with stages.label. And as simple as that, now we can see the right label for these stages. Well, folks, I hope this video has helped you understand how to get sales stages labels. If you need more information, here they are our contact details at Audox Ingeniería. And remember, if you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and leave us your comments and share the video with whoever you think might find it useful. Bye bye.